This is an area that I think, of course, I've run across clinically as a physician that treats people with dementia. And it's an area that hasn't really gotten a lot of research focus over the years. And so I've seen it as a group that has a high need that really hasn't been met to this point. Well, I think this is a really important, the project that I'm involved in is very important, kind of setting the foundation, creating the baseline biofluids and information on patients with dementia with Lewy bodies that all researchers can use. So they'll have access to this clinical data, to the biofluids, etc. So it's really, again, laying the foundation for work for hopefully lots and lots of investigators. Well, I think one of the difficulties that we have right now in Lewy body dementia is understanding exactly what changes are going on in the brain. As we've been discussing, we see the Lewy body pathology, but a lot of patients also have Alzheimer's disease, and we expect that they'll respond differently to therapeutics. And so what we want to be able to do is not wait to autopsy to know exactly what's going on with somebody, but be able to identify what's going on while they're alive and be able to direct therapy very specifically to what's going on in them. To summarize for the lay public, what we're really doing again is setting the foundation, creating that sort of banking both data and materials that other investigators can use. So when you have a new idea, you can act on it right away and you don't have to wait for 3, 4, or 5 years to develop that data. Well, again, I think we're setting this foundation. I think at the end of the study, we'll have a much better sort of feeling for what dementia with Lewy bodies really is. How often do we see coexistent Alzheimer's? And what does it really look like clinically, and what do the biomarkers tell us about it? And then, again, this is a consortium, so we're hoping we can do clinical trials out of this, create a lot of collaborative work, and really expand research in this second most common neurodegenerative dementia.